A scary scene today in Ionia. A viewer sent us this video of a tree toppling over. One of several cases of this happening today. Strong winds hitting West Michigan hard.
We do have several crews keeping an eye on the weather conditions tonight. Evan Dean talking with neighbors who have trees down and who have also lost power.
First, though, we want to get to meteorologist Kyle Underwood with what to expect tonight and into the weekend. Kyle.
Well, soon, Brian, for folks who haven't had a chance to get outside yet, this is the big weather story. The winds have finally come down. In fact, late tonight, they'll go almost calm toward daybreak here on Saturday, and it is going to be a great-looking start to the weekend here across West Michigan. Mid to upper 70s for tomorrow. Just a couple of afternoon clouds, but abundant sunshine here on Saturday. And once we get into Sunday, we have a front coming through. A couple of showers will pass through. Most of the day is going to be dry. Will be a bit cooler than Saturday as well, with temperatures only topping out in the mid-60s. Satellite view showing that the clouds continue to push out. That's clear skies moving in for tonight and most of tomorrow. More rain chances, plus a lot of nice, mild May weather coming up in the 8-day forecast in a couple of minutes.
A very windy day in West Michigan, knocking power out to thousands. Here's a look at the latest outages in our area. Nearly 2,000 active outages right now.
The good news is things are getting back to normal tonight as crews work to get the lights back on. The 24-hour News 8 Dean's been taking a closer look at some of the damage around the region tonight, and he's live in Wyoming this evening. Evan?
Brian and Sue, good evening. We're at the corner of Melvin and Wyoming, and what you see here right now has been a common sight all across West Michigan today. Downed trees, downed wires, and power crews trying to clean it all up. From our rattling sky cams to your cell phone videos.
Oh no!
The worst of the windstorm was short but strong.
It's down. Oh my God.
Falling trees everywhere, captured on camera in Ionia, down on houses in Grand Rapids, and covering cars in nearby Wyoming. Should I even ask how your day's going?
No. I was actually in the bathroom. I heard the crash and power went out, and I ran out front and saw that happened.
The concern was heightened off Dale Street in Northeast GR, where a large branch fell on a 7-year-old girl simply playing in the yard.
I actually watched that tree branch come down.
He saw it happen.
And then she was laying on the ground, flopping around. Then her ma come and grabbed her.
She was taken to the hospital, but back home this afternoon and okay. Just bumps and bruises, thankfully.
2 seconds sooner, she would have been underneath that tree.
And all the while,
we saw our outages spike up, really quickly.
Consumers Energy crews have been scrambling to keep up after Mother Nature served up a recipe for this May mess.
This week, we've had a couple rounds of storms that came through, dumped a lot of rain here in West Michigan. That saturates the ground, and it makes the trees more unstable.
Of course, a big-time reminder from consumers, never go near a downed wire. You never know if it's live or not. And they do have a lot of work to do. They're working hard, but a lot of people to get the power back on for about 10,000 in Kent County right now, still in the dark. As I step back in here, consumers tells me that they hope to have everyone in West Michigan back on by midnight tonight, but some outages could last into the weekend. We'll, of course, stay on top of it. Reporting live in Wyoming, Evan Dean, 24-hour News 8.